Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Hinderer Knives XM-18, 3.5 inch long in a Spanto blade configuration. Beautiful knife made in US. It's gonna be around $450. Beautiful frame lock. Overall size of this guy is 8.25 inches, and when it's closed the handle is gonna be 4.75. This one has a black G10 milled scale with back made out of titanium, pretty thick slab. In this case you have this copper hardware just changed, but it comes with just a regular silver steel hardware. The blade in this case is a Spanto, nice grind. I like this one. 3.5 inch long, CPM 20 CV, so pretty good steel going on in a flat grind, nice sharpening and finger choil. The sound this guy makes, it's the Hinderer sound, guys. Yeah. Oh yeah, absolutely. Hinderer. Beautiful sound. The weight is going to be 5.4 ounces. The clip is reversible. You can do, you can do tip up and tip down carry. It's not reversible, so this guy is not going to be fully ambidextrous, but the fit and finish is pretty good. I have to say, there are minor misalignment over here at the end, but not a huge deal. But yeah, it's not absolutely perfect. Here is good, but here I see just a tad, sorry, right over here I see just a tad of misalignment. It's sticking out a little bit. What I love truly about this one is the grip, guys. This is phenomenal in the hand. It's just great. The action is pretty smooth. This is generation 6, so you can decide if you want Teflon washers, regular washers, bearings. It's gonna be fun to play with, to disassemble. Pretty straightforward, very smooth. And if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. But thanks for watching and stay tuned.